Hello everyone, my name is Zulkarnain Hayat and welcome to this course on installing the Apache HTTP Server, the MySQL database server and PHP on your development computer. In this course, I describe a number of ways to set up a local WAMP installation, including using separate components on macOS, focusing on the most recent version, Sierra on Microsoft Windows and on Ubuntu Linux. I will then show you some popular pre-built software bundles, including WampServer for Windows and MAMP for Mac OS. I will then offer some tips about common tasks and troubleshooting, covering issues that are reported most commonly by PHP developers. I hope that this course helps you get started quickly and easily with Apache, MySQL, PHP. Grab some coffee and let's get started.